What's going on, guys? Welcome back to JECS and welcome to another video, man. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up your way, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe because we got more items to showcase on different videos, so definitely stay tuned, man. Anyways, today's video is going to be on the Nike ACG CPFM Crewneck, and this is one of the pieces that I got from the collection that we had this past week that dropped. I got another piece dropping. It should be delivering soon, so once that gets delivered, definitely stay tuned because I got you guys covered. All right, guys, enough talking, man. Here is the Crewneck. Got it for retail. If you guys want to know, the little description on this item, you can look at it in the description down below, so definitely stay tuned to that. Now, this was like a last minute cop. I wasn't really expecting to cop really anything until I saw one of the items that I do have coming, and then I was like, oh shoot, I actually like this piece too. I wanted to get the pants. Now that's one thing I really wanted. I really wanted the pants, but I could not get them. They sold out every time I went for them. So if you got the pants, definitely let me know. And this this collection has some very interesting items with it. As you guys can see here already, the lizard is pretty much like one of the main big parts of this whole collection, that being lizard hang tags and stuff. We'll get into it. Now, I was definitely interested in the quality, and here at JECS, I always keep it transparent with you guys when it comes to my first look and making sure, I give you guys a clear, detailed look at what everything looks and feels like off rip. So here's a look at it. Got the lizard there. Oh man, oh dang, I like the heavyweight feel of this item, but I think what's really heavyweight about it is the fact that there's a lizard on it. That's what really makes this piece feel a lot more heavy than what it is. But overall, I like the different materials so far. The different materials on this item are really cool. Wow, so there's so much to go over, guys. So off rip, you guys can see there is the lizard there, and underneath it's like a pin that you can just put on the crew neck here. And then supposedly, oh dang, I didn't do this. I was not expecting all these different details. I was expecting it to all be printed. No, this is actually, you can feel soft pieces of, like, I don't know, like, I can't think of what to describe it, but you can feel it. It's texture. It's like a rubbery texture on these dots. These dots are not printed. It's actually a rubber texture. Let me see if I go in. Will you guys be able to see? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is rubber. That is rubber, guys. So all throughout it's rubber. All right, you got the fabric on here, which feels very, very soft as well. There is there, the ACG CPFM stuff going on here. The back of it shows the Nike logo, and I really do love the light blue. The baby blue on here is just a perfect color mashup with this whole piece. And here's a look at the beaded lizard as well. As you guys can see, looks really cool. And yeah, so we will be trying it on for you guys as well. And yeah, overall really nice piece, and I'm definitely looking forward to checking this out. On the back it says good job as well. Here it says good job, so that's really nice too. All right, guys, and here it is. Here's a look at the item on body. Right now I have an undershirt underneath right now, but probably would wear it with like a shirt that has that goes down a little bit lower. That way it doesn't kind of interfere with the crew neck aspect of this item. But just look at it, man, with the lizard right here too. And the lizard's strapped on the back right now, but I'll probably eventually strap it onto here as well. But you can do whatever you want with it. That's the cool thing about it. It's not already stuck there, so when you wash this item, you can already take all that stuff off. But here it is. Here's a look at it. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Side of it. And yes, it is oversized, which is the fit of it. So I suggest going true to size. This is an extra large as well, and I'm about 6'2.5", so this is a great fit for me. And so if you want to go true to size, I recommend it. But yeah, I think like that's the look of it, so you don't want to probably do anything else other than going true to size. So it's very lightweight, has like a jersey-like feel to it as well, and it's definitely pretty warm too, so you can definitely stay warm with this as well. And then here's the lizard right here as well too on it. And yes, it does clip off. If you guys wanted to, you guys can clip it off right there, as you guys can see. I don't know, would you guys put this on, the lizard on here? I think I would, because it just matches the whole vibe of the piece right here. So I probably would do that as well. But let me know, would you guys keep this on? Would you guys take it off? Let me know what you guys would do in the comment section down below to go with the piece. I think I would though, I think I would. So probably after this video, I'll end up attaching it on, we'll see. But yeah, this is how it would look if it was on there as well, just to let you know that. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. So yeah, overall guys, that is it. Let me know what you guys think about this item in the comment section down below. Overall, really insane quality. You can feel all this texture. I think this was supposed to be it was supposed to represent lizard skin. So yeah, you can definitely feel it there, which is really crazy. It's a really crazy piece. It's definitely out there. This is definitely one of my most out there pieces for sure, guaranteed. But overall, I do like the way it looks a lot. So yeah, definitely let me know, did you guys cop this, or are you guys planning on getting it later on? And do you guys plan on completing the whole collection? Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And also make sure you guys follow my main channel. Link for all that stuff is in the description down below as well. All right, see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.